You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
Grind, taking no breaks. Yeah, gotta do what it takes. Yeah, whoa. Grind. Taking no.
What's good, y'all? Today is a very exciting day. Been waiting for this day for months, really, but the day has finally come. Something is missing. Maybe you guys have guessed it. Most of you guys probably guessed it, but the Supra is currently getting wrapped. That's why you don't see it in the driveway. I dropped it off about last week, Wednesday. It's now Tuesday, and it is November 7th, so super excited. I've been getting sneak peeks all week. My boy Xavier, he's wrapping the car. He's been taking care of me. He's been sending me pictures. I've been so excited, and he finally hit me today, told me the car is ready, so we're about to go pick it up. I have my parents about to give me a ride. I'm gonna leave the wagon home, but yeah, we're gonna pick up the car and y'all gonna see. But yeah, y'all, super excited. It's been months, been waiting for this moment. Only thing is that when you guys see this video on YouTube, it's probably been posted all over, probably on Instagram and TikTok, so your boy's a little late with the YouTube uploads, but we're getting back up to date. Like I told you guys, we have a lot of content coming, so yeah, we're gonna go head over there now and check out the car and pick up my baby.
You feel me? I gotta show love because y'all took care of my soup. So
Bro, I look crazy right now too, bro.
That's why I was like, yo, I didn't want to walk in here with just a camera. You feel me?
Yeah.
And then like, but yo, y'all really did y'all thing. They didn't see it yet, but I'm fucking bro. I've been excited all week. You been sending me pictures, bro. I was like, yo, god damn. I had to stop what I was doing at work. I was like, yo, fuck y'all. I'm like, yo, look at my work. That shit's crazy though.
You feel me? Just in case people ask for my shit, you feel me, bro?
Yeah, so fucking.
You already know.
How was the process though? Like, shit was smooth, like.
Yeah, man, it was pretty.
It was a little difficult for me though.
Wow, why you say that?
It's his
That's
first
all
Supra.
curvies, you feel me?
But I ain't gonna hold you, bro.
She thick.
I tried wrapping it myself, and it didn't go playing, bro. I have a roller wrap at the crib. It was like navy blue.
Yeah.
I was like, nah, I can't
It's
do
hard,
that
bro.
shit,
That's
bro.
like one of the hardest cars to wrap.
And
It's
it
like
was
so
outside,
curvy and like,
too
you feel
curvy,
me?
bro. And I had one
Especially in the
person.
Nositech, bro, it's hard to wrap it in the Nositech. Because the Nositech is not like regular wrap, but it's in stretch the same, you know?
But fucking, yo, to be honest though, we was gonna go with like a purple.
Yeah,
I kind of wish we
The
went
purple
with
lavender, right?
Lavender,
Yeah, the
bro.
purple lavender is fire, bro.
That is fire.
Nah,
I'm like,
but
you can't
still
even,
got a nice choice.
you can't even see it out there, bro. Like, damn, that shit.
Tomorrow, bro, you'll see.
But
Nah,
damn,
you'll see it
bro.
at the gas station. Bro.
Nah, bro, I appreciate both of y'all, bro.
Of course, bro. I
Taking
appreciate
care
you.
of me.
That shit came out nice, bro.
Oh,
You
dog.
already know, bro.
Yeah, bro, y'all shout out y'all shit.
Yo,
You
bro,
know how it
Car
goes.
Life Nando, bro, on Instagram, bro. Give my man
Look
X
at the
Raps.
hoodie, X Raps right here.
Yes, sir.
Make sure
Mr.
y'all
Guy
follow the
behind it.
Instagram, Snapchat. Look, this is what we be doing a fucking 7 Series right now. The Tesla is next, and we just did a Supra.
Believe it or not, I was supposed to get with y'all the first time, but I didn't. You remember we was at that meet, and I asked you it was for my birthday.
Bro,
I didn't.
It's for the.
But it was all I had homeboy in my ear. That's why I didn't go with you. But
Nah, it's all good.
it's all good. Second time
You already
around,
had recommendations, so.
it's already better.
It's all
Second
good,
time
bro.
around, bro. Car looks amazing. I'm pleased.
Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate y'all boys. For
I appreciate
real, bro.
you,
I've
bro.
been
You already-
smiling this whole damn ride, bro. I was like, yo, I'm about to come outside and see this shit. And this shit's just chilling in the dark. That shit's crazy though.
Yeah, nah, it was sitting in the sun. Right? Like, you know how I told you it was gonna be done like Sunday?
Yeah.
So I was planning on having this done
Wait.
today, and we
That's
just
that
started.
same shit, bro. That was
Wait,
fire
they just went with Matt?
Yeah.
He has a black car. He went with Matt.
I don't know.
Why didn't he just do PPF?
People do
Yo,
it
no
all the
bullshit.
time, bro. Because PPF is more expensive.
Yeah, but
I'd rather
like
pay like you
Worth
know,
it.
you get to preserve the black color. Oh, I
lot
don't
more.
fucking know.
Hey, bro, that's it.
But yeah, bro, I wasn't really in no rush, bro. I didn't leave my crib at all this week. I didn't even leave my room, bro. Whenever I get shit done,
That shit off, bro.
Whenever
You
that
gotta
shit
take
got
to
like
work
that,
tomorrow, bro.
I was thinking about it, but I might not, bro.
You might not.
That's why I was asking you. I got a crazy lip coming for the front. I don't know if I want to wrap it yet. I don't know yet, but
I think we got enough to wrap.
it's dumb carbon though, like it's bro.
It's a car. It's
Full carbon, bro.
Oh my
Bro, this
God.
the way y'all see it right now is about to look dumb crazy. I just don't know what wheels I'm gonna go with.
I was about to say, you getting wheels for it?
Yeah,
Bro,
but
you need some
not right
crazy.
I feel you, yeah.
I like those, bro.
I like those how it's sitting.
Those stocks is
already. I was
nasty,
sitting
bro.
in the stocks.
I was gonna post it, but I was like, nah, I ain't really. I was like, nah.
Nah.
I was like, I wasn't gonna post it. But fucking, yo, so if you wanna post it, go ahead. I know you've been waiting. Yeah, I know y'all been waiting. So if y'all wanna post it, go ahead. I ain't too worried about the YouTube vid, cause niggas gonna.
Yeah, nah, you gotta go to after this. You gotta go to the gas station.
I'm about to do that. I'm about to go to the gas station. That's exactly what I have. So I have a TikTok lined up already, and I'm gonna post the TikTok, and then you guys could go ahead, cause I know you want to show that shit.
So
off.
like tonight or like
I
tomorrow?
Nah, like you can post that shit like in an hour, bro. I'm about to go to the gas
I
station
ain't
right
no
now.
rush, bro. I ain't no rush.
You can post it whenever you want, cause I'm probably gonna get the TikTok up. What time is it? By like 6.
Yeah.
So
Bro, it's still mad early, bro. I'm over
dumb,
here
it
thinking
feels
it's like 8
mad
p.m.,
late, bro.
It's
Like
crazy.
this shit's crazy.
Yeah.
But yo, damn, bro. Wagon next though.
Nah, let's
Wagon
do it, bro.
next?
Let's do it, bro.
No doubt. In the summer though, cause it's all-wheel drive. Tuck the Supra away,
Oh,
and
I feel
then
you.
fucking
You want to drive the other one winter? Huh?
drive the other one.
Yeah.
And plus, I still need more parts on that shit. So
Yeah.
I got some
What
work to
year?
do. 15. 15.
Yeah, bro. We about
Like
to.
this bad boy. What year is this? Like an 18?
Yeah, it's an 18.
5 series?
7.
7 series.
This shit's nasty.
Bro, this
inside,
shit is
Look at the
crazy,
interior.
bro. Bro, this shit is sexy.
Has soft touch doors.
I like the. Oh nah, that's
They
pure
got the
brown.
lights and shit, bro.
That shit ain't even. I was about to say that's peanut butter. That ain't even peanut butter. That's chocolate.
It's chocolate, no bullshit. It's making me want one of these, bro.
Bro, yo, when
Soft
you
touch
go Beamer Life, bro, it's,
I'm trying to get
it's
an Audi,
expensive,
bro.
bro. Yo, don't go Audi, bro. Actually,
that shit
actually,
be,
Audi's
bro.
the same shit, pretty much. It's just, I don't know. They all expensive, bro.
Up and shit, bro. I can't let the niggas
Damn, so
stop.
what y'all got this one lined up, and y'all got.
That next, bro.
Damn.
This one's been supposed to be done, bro. I told him it was gonna be done today, bro, and now I'm telling him tomorrow.
Hey, yo, it'd be like that.
We
Fuck
just
it.
started it today, bro. As soon as we finish your car.
Damn, bro, nah, like, y'all good, bro.
We just started as soon as we finished.
But they say y'all making it seem like y'all had this shit for a week. Nah, a day he could wait, bro. But yo, again, appreciate both of y'all, bro, for
I
real.
appreciate you, I mean.
Nah, cause y'all really Super was down bad 6 months ago, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. It was down bad. I was about to sell that shit.
Damn,
Yeah,
for real?
for real.
Oh hell yeah,
lost
bro.
motivation
I
for
lost
that shit?
dumb motivation, bro. Once I seen that big ass scratch on the back, the fucking sand mark,
Yeah.
I started
you
seeing
know what
mad
happened is, bro?
imperfections. I think they just sanded it down, bro. I don't know. I can't
Wait,
think of why.
The super bash goes on the bumper. It's not on the trunk.
It's on the bumper, bro.
Oh, it's on the bumper?
It's on the bumper.
Oh.
Exactly where you seen that sand mark. So I was like, I was confused because, bro, I got the car ceramic coated and fucking paint corrected when I bought it.
Oh.
So it was like, it was
probably
fresh
trying to
paint,
remove the
bro.
glue, bro.
Exactly,
They was probably
bro,
trying to remove
like,
the
They
glue.
were trying to remove the glue.
You sanded like a.
Why would they try to sand it though?
And that's why I got tight, bro. I got tight. I didn't want to drive the car, bro. I had that shit in pieces in my driveway. I was just looking at it. And then I was gonna wrap it, and I was like, bro, this shit's fucking tough.
Nah, it looks good, bro. It looks
And
good.
then I was like, fuck that. And then my mom was like, how you gonna put in all that work and then just get rid of the car? And I was like,
Get rid of the car, yeah.
I was like, you know what, you right.
Nah, it looks good, bro. It looks good.
It
I
do
like
look
that
good.
color. That purple would have that purple would have been better, but I like this.
That purple
one,
would
bro.
have been nuts, bro. No
But
bullshit.
this one is clean, bro.
That's for
it's just
for the
clean,
next
bro.
season. That's for another
See,
season.
we could put it on the wagon.
Oh yeah. You still got the wagon.
I wouldn't do that purple though. That shit won't look good purple. I don't think so.
On the wagon?
I don't think so. Too much of a big body to look like that. you know what I'm saying?
but
What is- it's a wagon?
Big, it's big.
Wagon.
It's a wagon.
It's
bro.
long. It's not even big. It's long.
Yeah,
like
no
it's
bullshit.
a boat, bro. It's like probably the same, a little bit smaller than this.
Yeah, no, yeah.
But yeah, bro. I'm gonna let y'all get back to it, bro.
Bro.
I'm about to go enjoy this shit. I'm probably about to. I don't know. I gotta park this shit.
Bro, go take some pictures, bro, and send them to me, bro. At the gas station.
I go to the gas station,
and
bro.
videos, bro, and shit, bro.
I got you.
Like, try to do a collab with me on Instagram, bro.
I was gonna say that because normally I see that you post like the rap color and shit.
Yeah, yeah.
And then your shit, I was gonna say, yo, we can fucking. I'll just invite you as a collaborator.
Yeah. We'll do that. Cause I didn't really get videos. I just took pictures. You feel me? So I'm probably just gonna post the pictures and then we can do a collab for the video.
You'll probably see it in like an hour, bro. All you gotta do
Do
is
the
just
collab, bro, and I'll accept it and shit.
All right, word. That'll be better for you though, cause more other people, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
More heads see that you rap a Supra, they'll be like, okay, damn. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
That's why. That's
grinding, bro.
That's what got me.
Yo, I'm about to get another shop too, bro. Like I'm about to sign the paper soon, bro. So like December, I'm not gonna be here no more. You feel me, bro? Yeah,
Shit,
cause
big move.
I need a
That's
bigger
your shit.
space. You feel
You
me?
do.
Like you could have just, you feel me? Like I would have liked to have it inside when you picked it up. You get what I'm saying? Even though we're working on this.
I feel you, but. Yo, we gotta start somewhere though, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Some
It's shit, bro.
fucking-
It's like my second shop, bro. You get what I'm saying?
Gotta
bro?
start
I was
somewhere,
fucking
bro.
rapping outside and
Soon
shit.
it'll be like a big ass shop. Never know, bro.
Yeah.
Shit, even I'm working towards it. I'm trying to get a fucking shop.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to live at that shit too.
Yeah, nah, me
They're
too.
hard
I
to
feel
find.
that.
Trying to live at that shit.
They're hard to find, bro.
Very hard to find. You gotta build that shit yourself.
Shit, that bro,
Oh,
for real, man. You already know, man.
Yes, sir. You know the vibes. Yo, Nando.
Yo, bro,
Enjoy that
appreciate
shit,
you
man.
for the
Show that
opportunity,
shit.
Always, bro.
The night drive safe.
Dog. Bro, I'm about to be smiling the whole way to the crib, bro. No bullshit. Niggas about to see me take like 100 pictures at the gas station. Like, bro, like I'm looking at it right now, and the camera's not picking up. I can't see shit.
It's too dark, bro. It's too dark.
That's perfect, and that's kind of low key. Look, can't see shit. Nothing. It's like dark.
Look at this fucking Ferrari, bro.
Oh my God, Supra is picked up. This shit is crazy. Oh my God. We about to go to a gas station so y'all can see it. We're about to air this thing out. We at a gas station right now. Hey yo, look at this thing. So, color is Ruby Star by Inozatech, and this thing looks so amazing right now. Like, it's like purple, but it's pink, but it's not. But it looks so fucking good right now. But I was here to get some clips too. Dog. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. If you're watching this video and you've been following me for a long time and watching the videos, you would know exactly where I'm at. I pretty much bring all my cars here, and this is where I really reflect. And it's actually kind of crazy because when I used to chill here, like Dolo, I still do. Where I'm at now is like I was dreaming for it like 3 years ago. And sometimes you don't realize that you're in the middle of your dreams. And I just had to take the time, get off the phone, you know, just sit, chill. I ate some McDonald's. I don't recommend McDonald's, but I was craving a frap. But oh my God, when I tell you this color is nasty, it is so nasty. This color is Ruby Star. Shout out to Chris Borges. But I really got this color because you guys know my dream car is a Porsche 911, and for some reason I love Ruby Star. And this damn train. This is like a little bit of motivation for me, like for every day, to remind myself that I gotta get to the Porsche and that I gotta keep going. And the camera doesn't even really pick up the color. It looks pink, but it's not right now. It's like kind of purplish, but a lot of people do think it's pink. I mean, it is kind of pink, but this is gonna remind us that we still got more work to do. Now, shout out X-Raps. You guys seen them earlier in the video. Them guys took care of me, and completely satisfied. Love you boys. I appreciate the work you guys did. I don't really trust a lot of people in my car, but I was able to trust them, and they didn't disappoint. Now, this isn't the end. I told you guys we have a bunch of parts that is coming for this car, so just wanted to get this video out the way. I know that most of you guys probably already seen the color. I kind of posted it right away because I was gonna be driving home. The car was gonna get posted regardless, so I was just like, you know what, I might as well beat everybody to it. and I just posted it. So I said fuck it. But this is the color, man. I'm super glad because y'all remember I wanted to sell this Supra at one point, and I wasn't really happy with it. Everything was just kind of going downhill. I didn't like the car as much. Like, I just got very discouraged, and I'm kind of glad that I continued and didn't quit, and that's a huge gem. So no matter what, no matter how things is looking, how you may feel, just continue to keep going, keep grinding, and don't stop, and don't quit. I'm probably gonna end the video right there. Your boy, I just want to get home. I've been enjoying my car. It's like, bro, I got everything pretty much working besides the steering wheel problem I told you guys about. But hey, man, I'm back. I was focusing on the wagon for a bit, but I had to put some attention into the soup. But like I said, I'm about to go home. I might upload this video tonight. Probably not, but we'll see. But you guys take care of yourself and make sure you're grinding, because the grind don't stop.
Grind, 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 taking no breaks. Yeah, gotta do what it takes. Yeah, whoa, grind.